Hi folks, today is the 22 January 30th. In Chinese calendar is the December 28th. Two more days is the new year of the year of the tiger. And today the weather is so beautiful that I take this opportunity to shoot this clip to share with you what had happened to me on the March 11, 2021, that's last year. From my point of view, of course, I'm very grateful and to be blessed by Buddha. This is Buddha's manifestation. Now let's look at it. The case is this: Buddha chopped the multi-story car park into two, right? And the deserted factory was pushed and tilted to the left, while the residential block at the back was untouched. Now this is the normal case, okay? Now for you to appreciate the magic moment, now this is the opposite view of my in front of my forecourt. The left is the multi-story car park, right? And the front one is the deserted factory, while the back was is a residential block, right? This is the normal case. As I said, on March 11, 2021 at 9 o'clock 33 minutes 11 seconds, I got this shot from I was using my mobile phone, okay? And now this is another clip of the normal case. And now this is the picture I got from my mobile phone, which has not been enriched yet. Now I use big flower pots to grow flowers. Now my big flower pot was also pushed to the left. Now let's see what it looks like normally. It's like this, okay? Now what's this big orange blob? I don't know what it is. But if you are interested, please read the Earth Store Bodhisattva Sutra, chapter 2. It says that the Buddha will appear as a dragon to rescue beings, and not just as in the form of the Buddha's body, okay? Now this, if you, as I said, if you have time, please read chapter 2 of the Earth Store Bodhisattva Sutra. Now, in my case, apart from Buddha's manifestation, I also enjoy the blessing from Guan Pusa and Earth Store Pusa. Guan Pusa usually use emoji on my mobile phone to give me blessing, while Earth Store Pusa used my computer screen as manifestation. Now after I've got this shot, I immediately have an idea that I must go to the Guan Yin temple about 5 minutes drive from my house to ask for guidance, and if this is really the manifestation of Buddha. Now just before I left my house, I took another shot using my mobile phone, and as I said, Guan Yin Pusa will use my mobile phone emoji as manifestation. Now suddenly I got these 3 circles, okay? Now the interesting point is, now the 3 circles, the blue one on top and 2 white ones on the bottom, okay? Now, this is the interesting point here. Outside the three circles, small circles, there were two white ones on the bottom, which is outside the picture. And all of a sudden, the two white circles, the big white circles, went inside the picture. How? I don't know. Okay? And also, the original blue big circle was changed to a white circle. Of course, from my point of view, this yet again is Guan Yin Pusa's manifestation. Okay? I, of course, was very, very grateful for such unique blessing. To me, 2021, March 11, 9:33 in the morning, was a very unusual and special blessing and experience to me, and grateful to Buddha's manifestation. And on top of that, and I also got Guan Yin Pusa's very interesting few manifestations. Now, this is my humble house. The brick house is my humble house. And this is the Guan Yin Temple, about 5 minutes drive from my house. Okay, so I went to Guan Yin Temple and asked if the shot I got this morning was Buddha's manifestation, and the message I got is the number 62 poems. For those who have Chinese friends, you can ask them to decipher for you. What it says is this: I asked Guan Yin Pusa if this the picture I got was Buddha's manifestation, and the first line of the poem says that dawn and dusk rely on Buddha's help. So, isn't it clear enough? So that means Guan Yin Pusa confirmed that the picture I got was indeed Buddha's Buddha's manifestation. So, and in the afternoon, I shared this with my good friend after lunch. Then I told him that it's so unbelievable. At this moment, Guan Yin Pusa sent me this great wave emoji. If you are familiar with this picture, it's okay. For those who do not know what this is all about, and it is by a famous Japanese artist called Hokusai, the Great Wave, okay? And why Guan Yin Pusa sent me this Great Wave, from my point of view, what I understand is that for we, the ordinary people, to be enlightened or to be rescued, or we have to pass through rough seas, many difficulties. Roughly, it's like that. Then, what is missing is why I was, by the time I got to this temple and was about to alight from the public light bus, Guan Yin Pusa sent me another unbelievable emoji to my mobile phone, and the situation was like this: a few bright light dots were flowing around on the screen, but because I was about to alight, to exit, so I didn't have time to capture it. Then I just described it to my friend how interesting it was. As soon as I came to this point, Guan Yin Pusa sent me yet another emoji. This is universally accepted emoji. What it means? No. It means no, right? Here is the sign. So when I said the lights, floating lights, were as if it's like similar to Christmas lightings, right? I just wanted to give him some rough idea how interesting and how beautiful it is. But Guan Pusa disagreed straight away and sent me this no emoji. No, it's nothing to do with Christmas lighting, right? Believe it or not, I don't know, right? It's up to you. So on the 11th of March, first in the morning, I got a shot of Buddha's manifestation by chopping the multi-story car park into two, and on the same day, I got Guan Pusa's circles emojis, right? And then floating lights when I arrived at the Guan temple. And then when I was sharing my message experience with my good friend, Guan Pusa yet again sent me two emojis. First is the great wave, Hokusai's great wave. And then disagree with this no sign, right? So, how interesting. Believe it or not, it's up to you. From my point of view, I'm so fortunate to be blessed. And the message from my point of view, yet again, very, very unique and important. So I shoot this clip in this beautiful weather, and hopefully it will be shared by all Buddhists now and those in the future, and keep it as a kind of archive, academic archive for people to research, to enjoy. And I hope you enjoy in the meantime, and all the best to you in the year of the tiger, that is 2 days later, and all the best.